Thank you, Valeria and Julissa at the studio. It's a pleasure for being here. Now, with the issue of immigration assimilation at hand, it does have great effects and great threats on religion, such as Judaism and Catholicism. When it comes to inter-religious marrying between Jews and non-Jews, it has been found that it has increased tenfold since the 60s, contributing to the unimpeded destruction of the Jewish identity. In essence, it has been found that Miami-Dade Jews avoid the pervading assimilation present in the rest of the U.S., a religiously diverse country. The contact of American Jews with other religions, such as Catholics and Christians, in essence, do cause them to marry non-Jews, and sometimes they even forget the Jewish traditions behind. Now, let's take it back over to Dr. Spielberg to tell us more about the effects of immigration assimilation on health. Thank you. This has been Diocese Kenneth Plyer. Thank you so much for having me on the show.
Thank you, Kenneth. It is a pleasure to be a guest at the show. I would like to start off by stating that immigrant assimilation does have a negative effect on the health of immigrants around the world. One example of this situation are Colombian foreigners, which, like other immigrant groups, have suffered from stress due to their inability to accustom to their new environment. In Colombia, there has been a taboo against seeking help for mental illnesses, which sparked the creation of certain organizations specifically targeted towards Colombian immigrants, as well as other Latin American foreigners. An organization like this was launched by Forham Tremont in 1993, which was founded to provide the mental health care needed by these specific immigrants, as well as to provide information about housing and employment, which are important aspects. So, thank you so much for having me at the program. This was Dr. Spielberg. Before ending the section, I hope this health aspect is taken into account more often when considering immigration assimilation. Until next time, thank you. Let's go back to the studio.